Welcome to Anstruther Marina. Let's look at a pontoon enclosure, one of Legend's most popular accessories. One option is the 3/4 enclosure like on this bayshore cruise. The front is covered like a mooring cover, while the back is a stand-up top. This Splash Cottage EXT is an example of a full enclosure. A full enclosure like this one will keep the family and gear dry when you're crossing the lake on a rainy day. Need some air? Just remove one of the panels. And here's another example of a full enclosure on a larger pontoon. Enclosures are available for all current pontoon models. If you have an older version like this 2018 Bayshore Cruise, call us and we may be able to order one in. Is your Legend pontoon a dual lounge, superflex, or cottage layout? Fantastic choice. These models feature seating that will transform into a large sunbed that can also be used for sleeping. So bring on the adventure the Ontario waterways have to offer. There's no rush to get back to your dock when you have a pontoon with a full enclosure. An alternative to an enclosure would be a mooring cover like this one. We hope this helps you make a choice between a mooring cover or an enclosure. If you have any questions or want to order, call us at Anstruther Marina.